Hi, this is Orlando from Skint Guitars in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. In this video, we're going to work on a fretboard. We do really exciting stuff, like making the sodalite inlays, and really boring stuff, like radiusing it. We start off with getting the thickness of the fretboard down to 5 millimeters. I usually go with 7 millimeters, but for this build the neck binding is only 6 millimeters tall, rather than the 7 millimeter stuff I can usually find. It's kind of like the tail wagging the dog, but there we go. This fretboard is a stabilized TW Purple Heart from my friends at Honai Tonewoods. It's black throughout and doesn't have the Purple Heart characteristic stink when you work with it. After rough cutting the fretboard, I route the fretboard with the size already adjusted for the binding. Purple Heart is prone to splintering, which has caused a little hole on the side, which I fix using the superglue and sawdust combo. Slotting. I have a mitre box, to which I've added some self-lubricating plastic guides, so that the fretting saw makes a precise cut and has no wobble. Works great. And now the radiusing. It always seems to take forever. Every time I think I'm done, I always need to sand a little bit more. I glue the fretboard down and then mask up all of the body to try and keep it fairly clean. The inlays. I'm using quite a hard rock called sodalite that's a blue and white stone that's going to match the paint job. The idea here is to have the inlays shaped like jagged shards of rock. I have to use a diamond cutting wheel, and the sodalite, though very hard, is prone to breaking. I place the inlays in recesses and glue them in with superglue. The gaps I fill with superglue and sawdust. all the voids and imperfections filled and the radius rechecked, I seal it all with nitro seal. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.